Okay, welcome to the MediaTek booth here at the 2019 Embedded Vision Summit. My name is Victor Tian. I'm part of the business development team for the Americas. It's my pleasure to walk you through some of the exciting edged AI computing demos we have. The demo we're showing here is of human pose tracking, which has many different applications, including virtual fitness coaching, robot control, motion sensing games, and many more. The demo is running on our Helio P90 platform, which incidentally won the Product of the Year award here at the summit, consisting of our latest and greatest in AI technology, including our in-house developed AI accelerator that delivers over 2.2 teraops of processing power. The demo is basically an avatar that's mimicking a human. So we have the ISP on the Helio P90 that's capturing a live video stream using a single camera setup. So all the depth sensing is happening within the Helio P90. The image stream is passed over to the AI processing unit, or the APU, that calculates the coordinates of the person's joints in 3D in real time, and then maps those onto a virtual avatar's posture and location, and then all of that is rendered onto the display using a GPU. And all of this is happening within 33 milliseconds of frame period. The demo is also running in a very low power efficient manner, which is obviously important for mobile applications. So if we compare running this algorithm against a CPU or a GPU, it's only consuming 5% of the CPU power or 10% of the GPU power. The same technology can be used in many different applications, including sports. So for example, in tennis or golf, you can compare your swing motion versus, say, Roger Federer's or Tiger Woods. So I personally can't wait until these kind of applications are available. So we hope you enjoy this demo and the many exciting innovative applications that the MediaTek Helio P90 enables. Thanks for joining our booth, and for more information, please check mediatek.com.